Hello there, wonderful humans. We've just launched the Chipp and Notion integration, which allows you to bring Notion pages in as the knowledge source for your AI chat applications built on Chipp. And I'll show you how to get started right now. So in the builder in Chipp, you can go to New Knowledge Source and click Notion. Then you need to get your integration secret key. Inside Notion, let's find the pages that you want to bring in as the knowledge source. Here, I'm going to be using this How to Sell AI 5-day email course and the content in it and some support pages as the core content that we'll be using as the knowledge. In the three dots here, I can click there, click connections. I want to click manage connections and click develop or manage integrations. Inside this page, I can click new integration and call this the 5-day How to Sell AI app. Pick the associated workspace, which is the Chipp workspace. And if I want, I can add a logo and I'm going to skip that and hit save. Now I've got my integration secret key, but the integration is not connected to that last page that I was looking at. So let's go back to that page, hit refresh, and click into connections again. And as you can see, that new integration has shown up here. And if I click it and hit confirm, it's now an active connection. So that means that my secret key is now connected to this page and all the content inside of it. So I'm going to go back to that page and click show. I'm going to copy that key and bring it into Chipp. Once I paste it in there, Chipp will go and look at the relevant pages that are associated with this secret key, which should just be this one page of How to Sell AI. I'm going to click there and click add a source. And here you can see that all of those pages have been pulled in as the relevant knowledge source for this course assistant. So now I can say, show me the course overview. And here it's telling me a little bit about the course and what's inside. Perfect. So now that's working. I can build all sorts of stuff. What can you actually build with Chipp and Notion? At a high level, here's 4 of the best use cases I think you can do with Chipp and Notion. Firstly is using this integration as an internal knowledge base. This is significantly cheaper than the Notion AI actual add-on. So you can actually create AI experiences with Notion knowledge and inside Notion by embedding the Chipp chat inside the Notion workspace. So if you want to connect the internal knowledge base to Chipp and then chat to it, you can do that really easily. You can also build project management assistants. So if you pass the whole Kanban board into Chipp, you can use that as an assistant for project managers. This is great for keeping up with deadlines, to-dos, and seeing who's responsible for what and creating documents on the fly. Then for your sales and CRM enablement, you can use your Chipp assistant on top of your CRM built in Notion. This allows your team to pull up different information about your different prospects and leads very quickly. And then finally, it's really great for community management. So if you have a database of people who have joined your community, you can actually create deeper matchmaking by allowing your community members to go and speak to the chatbot and then find out what different interests and passions and skills the different community members have that they can connect on. I hope this has been helpful and has given you some inspiration about what you can build with Notion and Chipp, and have fun playing.